Okay, so we've got someone who mows lawns. We've got that areas are called X, and the times that it takes him to mow them are called Y. Okay, there are 8 lawns. Here are the results in the table, which we need to put on a scatter diagram. 2 easy marks. Okay, and then we've got to do a least squares regression line. So your calculator is going to do this for you. You're going to put your calculator in the correct mode. And you are going to enter all of this data, and your calculator actually tells you what y equals. When you go into the correct mode, it actually gives you the format of the equation. So you need to come up with the 2 constants in that equation off your calculator, give them to at least 3 significant figures, and make sure you write down the equation y equals at the end. And then we've got to draw that line. Okay, so to plot a straight line, all you need to do is work out y from your line for 2 different values of x. Okay, because that will give you 2 points that you can plot. You only need 2 points to plot a straight line, and you should notice your straight line seems to be pretty good for a line of best fit of the points you plotted before. Okay, then in part C you need to find a residual. Okay, so your notes tell you exactly how to do that. The residual essentially is the error when you make a prediction. So it's the true value minus the predicted value. I've just told you. So the predicted value you get from your regression equation, and the true value you get for the table. Okay, so customer H is what we're talking about. So we've got a true value of y there. Take away the estimated value, and then you need on your diagram to show me a little distance on your diagram that shows what the residual means. So it's a gap between that value that you've plotted as the x and something else. So draw in a line showing that distance on your diagram. Okay, and then finally we've got that we've got to estimate a charge for mowing a customer's lawn with an area. So I've got an area. So that was a value of x, because x is area. Now the regression equation lets me work out from x, it makes me work out a y, which is a time. And I want to work out a charge, but I know how much he charges per hour. So once I've got my x value, which is the area, okay, well I've got that, I work out a y value, which is the time, from the regression equation, and then I can work out, using his charge per hour, I can work out the cost. Done.